Hello, today's topic?
In the supermarket.
Do you need anything from the supermarket?
Yes, we need to buy groceries.
Let's make a list before we go.
Good idea. What do we need?
We need milk, eggs, and bread.
Okay, I'll write that down.
Don't forget to add fruits and vegetables.
Right, we need some apples and carrots.
Do we need anything else?
Yes, we need some chicken for dinner.
Should we get some pasta too?
Yes, let's grab a pack of pasta.
Do we have enough snacks at home?
I think we're running low on chips.
Let's add a bag of chips to the list.
Do we need any toiletries?
We're good on toiletries for now.
Okay, let's head to the supermarket.
Do you prefer a specific store?
I like going to the one nearby.
All right, let's go there then.
Do you want to take a basket or a cart?
Let's take a cart since we have a lot to buy.
Good idea. It'll be easier to carry everything.
Do you have the list with you?
Yes, I have it in my pocket.
Great, let's start with the dairy section.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Here's the milk. Do we need anything else?
Yes, let's grab a dozen eggs too.
Okay, I'll get them from the fridge.
Vocabulary.
Supermarket. Groceries. List. Milk. Egg. Bread. Fruit. Vegetable. Chicken. Pasta. Snack. Chips. Toiletries. Store. Nearby. Cart. Basket. Dairy. Section. Pocket.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.